In a world where financial success often seems reserved for the privileged few, there's a hidden truth. Anyone can build wealth from scratch with the right knowledge and mindset. Welcome to our video on how to build a fortune from the ground up. Let's explore the path to prosperity together. Mindset and vision. Your mindset plays a critical role in determining your financial success. It's not just about knowing what to do with your money. It's also about believing that you can achieve your financial goals. A positive mindset empowers you to overcome obstacles, stay motivated during tough times, and seize opportunities when they arise. Setting clear goals and having a long-term vision is equally important. Without a destination in mind, it's easy to get lost along the way. When you set specific, measurable goals, you give yourself something to strive for and a roadmap to follow. Whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or achieving financial independence, having a clear vision of your future allows you to make decisions that align with your objectives. Moreover, goal setting helps you stay focused and disciplined. It provides a sense of purpose and direction, guiding your actions and choices. By breaking down your long-term vision into smaller, actionable steps, you can track your progress and celebrate your achievements along the way. Cultivating the right mindset and establishing clear goals are essential components of building wealth. They lay the foundation for your financial journey, shaping your attitudes, behaviors, and ultimately, your success. Financial education. Understanding how money works is crucial for anyone aiming to build wealth. Financial literacy, or knowing how to manage your money wisely, invest it intelligently, and employ effective wealth-building strategies, is the foundation of financial success. Without this knowledge, it's like navigating a maze blindfolded. You might stumble upon success, but the odds are stacked against you. Luckily, there are numerous resources available to help you enhance your financial literacy. Books are an excellent starting point. Timeless classics like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki or The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley offer valuable insights into personal finance and wealth accumulation. Online courses have also become increasingly popular, offering interactive learning experiences tailored to your schedule and learning style. Websites like Khan Academy and Coursera offer free or affordable courses covering everything from basic budgeting to advanced investing strategies. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, consider joining financial forums or communities where you can learn from others' experiences and ask questions. Additionally, don't underestimate the power of podcasts and YouTube channels dedicated to personal finance. They provide valuable information in an easily digestible format. Financial education is one of the best decisions you can make on your journey to wealth. By arming yourself with knowledge and continuously seeking to improve your understanding of money matters, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions and ultimately build the financial future you desire. Budgeting and saving. Creating a budget is like having a financial roadmap that guides your spending and saving habits. It's a tool that helps you track your income and expenses, giving you a clear picture of your financial health. By understanding where your money goes each month, you can identify areas where you may be overspending and make adjustments to better align with your financial goals. Saving money regularly is a cornerstone of wealth building. Even small amounts saved consistently can add up over time, thanks to the power of compound interest. By making saving a priority, you're not only building a financial safety net for emergencies, but also laying the groundwork for future investments and wealth accumulation. Saving money fosters discipline and responsible financial habits. It requires you to prioritize your needs over your wants and resist the temptation of instant gratification. By cultivating the habit of saving, you develop a mindset of long-term thinking and financial stewardship, which are essential for achieving lasting financial success. Budgeting and saving are essential components of building wealth from the ground up. They provide the framework for managing your finances effectively and setting yourself on the path to financial independence. By creating a budget and making saving a priority, you can take control of your financial future and work towards achieving your goals. Income generation. Expanding your income sources beyond just a traditional job is a smart way to build wealth steadily. One way to do this is by starting a side hustle, which can range from selling handmade crafts online to offering freelance services in your area of expertise. Side hustles not only provide additional income, but also allow you to explore your passions and talents outside of your primary job. Investing is another powerful way to generate income. Stocks, real estate, and other investment vehicles offer the potential for significant returns over time. While investing carries some risks, it also provides opportunities for growth and wealth accumulation, especially when approached with a long-term perspective. Freelancing can be a lucrative option for those with specialized skills or expertise. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients seeking their services, allowing individuals to earn money on their own terms and schedule. Freelancing offers flexibility and autonomy, making it an attractive option for many looking to diversify their income streams. In addition to actively earning money through various endeavors, building passive income streams is key to long-term financial success. Passive income refers to earnings generated with minimal ongoing effort or involvement. This can include rental income from properties, dividends from stocks, or royalties from intellectual property. While building passive income may require upfront investment or effort, the potential for continuous revenue generation makes it a valuable asset in your wealth-building arsenal. By diversifying your income streams and incorporating passive income into your financial strategy, you can create multiple avenues for wealth accumulation and financial security. Whether through side hustles, investments, freelancing, or passive income sources, each additional stream of income brings you closer to achieving your financial goals and building the future you desire. Investing wisely. This is a critical step towards building long-term wealth. While saving money is important for short-term goals and emergencies, investing allows your money to grow over time, outpacing inflation and increasing your overall net worth. By investing, you're putting your money to work for you, harnessing the power of compounding to generate returns on your initial investment. There are various investment options available, each with its own risk and return profile. Stocks represent ownership in a company and offer the potential for high returns, but also come with greater volatility. Bonds, on the other hand, are debt securities issued by governments or corporations, offering more stability, but generally lower returns. Mutual funds pool money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets, providing instant diversification and professional management. Real estate is another popular investment option, offering the potential for rental income and property appreciation over time. Whether through rental properties, real estate investment trusts, REITs, or real estate crowdfunding platforms, investing in real estate can provide both income and capital appreciation opportunities. Additionally, retirement accounts such as 400 and Onyx and IRAs offer tax advantages that can help you save for retirement while minimizing your tax liability. These accounts allow you to invest in a variety of assets, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, with the added benefit of tax-deferred or tax-free growth. By diversifying your investment portfolio across different asset classes and investment vehicles, you can reduce risk and maximize returns over the long term. However, it's essential to conduct thorough research and seek professional advice when investing, especially if you're unfamiliar with the intricacies of the market. With careful planning and strategic decision-making, investing wisely can help you achieve your financial goals and secure a prosperous future. Risk management and persistence. In the realm of wealth building, managing risks is as crucial as seeking opportunities. It's essential to assess and understand the risks associated with investments and business ventures before diving in. By identifying potential risks such as market volatility, economic downturns, or business failures, you can implement strategies to mitigate these risks and protect your investments. Diversifying your portfolio, conducting thorough research, and staying informed about market trends are some ways to manage risks effectively. Persistence and resilience are virtues that can make all the difference in your journey to building wealth. Success rarely comes without its fair share of challenges and setbacks. It's important to remain persistent in pursuing your goals, even when faced with obstacles or failures. By maintaining a positive attitude, staying focused on your objectives, and learning from setbacks, you can overcome adversity and continue moving forward towards financial success. Remember, setbacks are not failures but valuable learning experiences that can ultimately lead to greater achievements. By staying persistent and resilient, you can navigate the ups and downs of the wealth building journey with confidence and determination. Now that you've learned the fundamentals of building wealth from the ground up, it's time to put these strategies into action. Remember, every step you take today brings you closer to the financial future you desire. Don't forget to leave a comment, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more guidance on your wealth building journey.